Hi, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. Today we're going to talk about proposals. We get a lot of phone calls on what should be included in a proposal. So we're going to talk about the very first thing you should make sure you have in a proposal is your cover letter. Your cover letter is your introductory. You should probably have 3 paragraphs. A cover letter where you're talking about thanks for allowing you to do a walkthrough. The second part should talk about what makes you different in the cover letter, just a basic paragraph. And the third should contact information as far as where the person should contact you if they're interested in the proposal. You should also go over ways that you've grown, the ways your business are different, and the way the customer can contact you at the end. So we've got the cover letter talking about thank you for the walkthrough. The second part of the paragraph is actually talking about how your business is distinctive. And the third thing is contact information. How, if, and when they accept your proposal, we're going to think positively, they can contact you. So that's part 1, our cover letter. The second part, page 2, should be your scope of work. It should have the walkthrough information, what you and the client decided was the scope of work. You want to include exactly what was discussed, the hours that you can enter the building, who's going to supply the supplies. We know most janitorial companies give the equipment. And you want to talk about any other particulars in your notes section, anything that was brought to your attention that they want, whether it be you clean the refrigerator, the microwave, whatever that should be in your scope of work. Your third page is your reference. I suggest you have at least 3 references. If you are just starting out and you do not have any references, then put personal references of someone that can vouch for you personally. But hopefully you have 3 business references that you can include on your third page for your references. Your fourth page should be what makes us different. What it is about your company that you can differentiate yourself that makes you different from any other company. This is what I like to put on our fourth page. Try to have at least 5 or 6 points that makes your cleaning company different. And the fifth and last page should be your insurance cert. It could be a simple sample of an insurance cert. It doesn't have to be made out to the actual client, but you should have that on the 5th page. So it should be a 5-page proposal. That's a basic proposal, and we've gone over what each page should be. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any other questions, please visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com or give us a call at 1-800-601-2730, extension 106. Have a fantastic day.